Want to design and create in real 3D? Now you can, like magic, with the 3D Magic 3D Maker.
It's 3D for me and me.
The 3D Magic 3D Maker lets you design, develop, and create pretty much anything you can imagine. It's makeable, buildable, infinite fun. Start with the Magic Gel pen to make your design. Pop it into the 3D Magic 3D Maker. It uses LED light to develop your creation. Now open the door to reveal a 3D creation like you've never seen before. From gel to flexible bendable plastic. Wow! With 3D Magic 3D Maker, you'll never run out of stuff to design. If you can dream it, you can make it with 3D Magic 3D Maker.